Hey guys, what's going on? What's crack-a-lackin'? It's your girl, Lydia Beautiful Beast, aka Lydia Beast, Beast Gang, right? Yes, I have my little hair tie on today. It's because I just washed my hair and I gotta wait to go get my hair done. My hair on Friday, right? So basically, it's cold now, right? But as you can see, it's like literally busting at the seams. So I'm gonna cut that up, right? I have some chicken strip pieces, some grilled chicken strip pieces in the deep freezer that I'm about to take out right now, and I'm gonna cut up some of those, right? I have some grilled chicken breast strips, right? So I don't have to cook the chicken, the sausage. That way when I warm it up, it's gonna be so much easier. So now I'm gonna always cut only on one side of this. You can probably see my TV. I was about to watch Roseville, right? And right. Hold on. Yeah, I got my shirt wet. I got my jacket wet, right? So So, there's one fork left, one fork left. Okay. This top layer of the way my ramen is, just very top part. That's the way I like mine's to look. I like it to look that way, like all over though. So I always, I do mine's in the microwave. Cause all black people know you start out doing it in the microwave. But that is kind of true, right? I mean, we learned to do it on the stove top too, right? But my mom didn't let me go on the stove top until I got older, right? And then you just take it. It's like a reusable bag, right? So it zips up. But the other one, when I told you for $1, that was not reusable, right? That's just like a solid one-tire bag. You can like, with that bag though, seriously, like if you and your roommate basically like y'all both low on food, y'all ain't really got a lot to eat, right? And y'all like, man, bro, it's like the third time we done ate ramen. Yeah, that's basically enough, right? I'm gonna stop with the ramen for a little bit and move on to the chicken, right? Cause the ramen's gonna have more time. Cause I like cheesy ramen. I really do. I love cheesy ramen. See how it's starting to get better though. Starting to get to that consistency I like. Right. I think basically it's at that. I don't see nothing. I don't really see no noodles that don't look appetizing. Right. So this is the Tempito, right? So this is their soup base. Their soup base is spicy, right? Because of the company. And okay, chicken needs to be warmed up just a little bit longer, right? So I got some Alfredo, right? That I was gonna use. Right, I was gonna use it for my I was using it for what you call it. So, and like what? Jeffredo's like, you can buy like an off-brand one, right? Or you can buy like an on-brand Alfredo. This personally is an offer brand that we're continuously used to. I'm used to more of the Ragu brand. So, right. And I always hit my stuff up with some seasoning. I got like a seasoning blend over there that I can use.
Get more bang for your buck, you know what I mean? Like they'll probably see you want to be like, okay, you gotta buy, you can get this free, right? So y'all can see like the chicken, I'm like cutting it up. It's not perfect to be honest, it really don't. Like it's chicken, right? And like that's how much chicken strip, right? So then I'm about to pour it all into the container, right? So I'm trying to mix it up a little bit already, so right?
See, boom, right? So then you can take your rest of your chicken, right? And you can put this, if you know a friend with vinegar or something like that, you can do that, right? You don't really need a cutting board or a knife really that much, right? So my noodles always soak up everything. Mix it, it always turns it red, like really red, because it's really hot and good. Like if you're sick, this is the soup you need to get. Not even gonna lie to you. So see that? It's all hot, spicy, like just like a light mother, right? So got some sausage, got some chicken, right? Right? So then you're gonna mix that up. I'm always gonna warm it up after the fact. Oh, my bad. I'm always gonna warm it up after the fact to kind of still give it like a little warmth to it. So I try to like spread it out as much as I possibly can just to get it to be roomy and spacious. This is actually gonna fill you up. Like if you, right, let's go put some cheese on it. Now, let me grab my seasoning blend, right? So it's got chopped onions mixed in there. It's got complete seasoning, seasoned salt, a bunch of other stuff, and I basically use this blend for everything, which is, it's actually used to be Red Robin seasoning, the original seasoning, but after we used all that up, I just been refilling it with my own stuff. I like mixing up my own seasoning, which means I bring up my own flavors, right? So, sorry about that light. Okay, it made it super dark. Yeah. Sorry. I'm bad at this lighting situation. Probably gonna have to be dark skin. Okay. So I hit it up with my seasoning. I got some honey rolls, some Hawaiian rolls over there. Like spice things up a little bit, right? So what I'm gonna do is I done mixed it all together. It's looking all saucy and delicious. It really is, right? You can see it. Look. Let me show you. Boom. Right. Now I'm gonna top it off with here on top, on literally the top. Like there's about to be so much cheese on the top, right? And y'all about to be like, bro, really? Your stomach not gonna interfere with this? No, because my lactose intolerant and cheese doesn't make me function that way. But I'm a cheese lover, cheese connoisseur. Right? Okay. This is what it look like. Right? About to melt it. Get this part, the seasoning part, together. And right. Hold up. About this much seasoning. Dang, hold up. About this much seasoning. Really less than this, because this is just the top part. Bro, how did she make this? Why did she make this so good? I told you I got some Hawaiian rolls, right? been eating on this for like, I don't know, not that long really. Just like a day or two. We had like some ribs and stuff like that. Right? You about to watch. You about to see how cracking I be. On like a parsley. I'm gonna mix that into a seasoning a little bit. Right? So you see parsley, right? Add a little pink salt. Not a lot. Cheese melted so perfectly, right? Okay. So now we're about to hit it up with that seasoning on top of that bad boy. Chopped onion right on top visually. Put this baby on there. And I swear, like, this is all that needs. Right? So, I'm about to show y'all how we grubbing though. Like, the cheese is like melted. This is what it looks like. Right? This is what it looked like visually. Right? So you guys can see, like, you can see how I just like pulled that melted cheese. Like I said, I really love cheese. Right? And then Alfredo, you can see the heat coming from this bad boy. And I did this with just like the freaking microwave, a little cutting. So you can buy like a little dollar store cutting board. It comes with a knife. It's only for $1. You can get it at Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, wherever. Because you don't even need a sharp knife. Because like I said, it's rough cuts. Sorry for the bad lighting right up in here. But, so you can see. I'm going to give y'all that first bite. It's seasoned perfectly. Like I said, if you put seasoning on the top, it really doesn't need it on the inside because there's that heat, and luckily some of that heat got taken away. Right? So like if you really don't like spicy food, most of that heat got taken away once you like put like the Alfredo in there and the chicken. Right? It genuinely just made like a delicious, cause the chicken hot, everything hot. That's why I say, even if you like, bro, like, but ain't got no roll, you don't need a roll really. Roll, I only got the roll so that way it would soak up some of that juice that's in there. Right? See? And you can find a 4-pack for these, of these exact things right here, for $1. Because I remember I used to buy them. You can find that at Walmart. So you can go to a dollar store in Walmart and find this whole thing. Walmart, I don't know if they have these particular noodles, but I know Food Town do, right? And I don't know if there's Food Town everywhere in the world, but I know there's Walmart everywhere. Or maybe like a Jovi or a Publix, right? Not an Asian market though. But if it's like a Hispanic store, like, cause for us that's like a Jovi, right? Then that went the other pipe. Sorry, you can probably find that. But nah, I'm about to upload this video today. It's Thursday, August 22nd, right? I hope I got the right pics for it. But I'm about to totally send this to y'all so y'all can eat this too. It's like, what time is it? But honestly, I just had to drop this knowledge on y'all. Oh my god, this is so good. See y'all. Lydia gang. Peace.